you want to know where this one came from?
Horses.
That's right. It's a Hachinohe horse from Japan.
That's neat. Where do you want to put the horse on the tree? You get to hang it. Way up top. Come here. I'll help you.
That one.
Show me where.
Over there.
Down here? Here? Which part? You gotta hang it around. Just wrap it around the branch.
There.
Good job.
Over there, on my ball.
This one's a cheater s'more. He's not a real s'more, but he's fun looking, isn't he? Don't pull it. I want to put this one on the very top. Should I put it here?
No.
Should I put it here?
No.
No, I get to put this one. You get to do the next one.
Okay.
You want to do the dog?
Yeah.
This was given to me when Rommel was a puppy because he was a little devil dog.
Okay.
Okay. Can you help her hang?
Mama, my dog.
Where are we going to put the dog?
Right there.
Okay. Here, let me help you.
No. Dog.
Okay.
Alright.
A dog.
Will you go touch it with and sit with Daddy and let me do one more picture?
No.
No, of course not. Okay.
Ball.
What's
Okay.
that one?
Ball.
Oh, it's a shiny ball.
Okay?
Put it over here.
Yeah.
Well, I think... Okay.
I think we've got a couple too many there. Let me take the big red one and move it up.
Put it right here.
Okay, on that side, please.
Oh,
I feel like that side's really good.
big cock.
It may not be, but I feel like it is.
Oh, a big cock too.
Aurora, look at this one. Did you see this one?
Rocket.
What is that made out of?
Rocket.
Does that look like ice cream? Yes.
Where do you want your other bouncer?
Top.
Found it,